Name a cyclic unsaturated carbon compound. Breaking it down. Cyclic. It means the compound's atoms are arranged in a ring shape, like a circle. Unsaturated. It means the compound has at least one double or triple bond between its carbon atoms. These bonds have room to add more atoms, which is why they're called unsaturated. Carbon compound. It means the compound is made primarily of carbon atoms, often with hydrogen atoms attached. Example. Benzene. This is a common example of a cyclic unsaturated carbon compound. It has a ring of 6 carbon atoms, with each carbon atom also attached to a hydrogen atom. The carbon atoms in benzene have alternating double bonds, creating a unique, stable structure. Other examples. Cyclohexene. It has a ring of 6 carbon atoms with 1 double bond. Cyclobutene. It has a ring of 4 carbon atoms with 1 double bond. Key points. Cyclic compounds have a ring-shaped structure. Unsaturated compounds have double or triple bonds. Carbon compounds are made mostly of carbon atoms. To answer the question correctly, you would need to name a compound that fits all 3 of these criteria.